Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to fix the heating problem while charging on the Oppo A5x. Now to fix this issue, first of all, just make sure you use the original charger which comes with your smartphone in the box. Also make sure you charge your phone in a cool, ventilated area and remove your smartphone's case when you're charging your smartphone. And also avoid using your phone while it is charging. And do not charge your phone when it is already warm. Now just open settings. Then tap on About Device. From here, just tap on Version, then tap on the version number a few times until you enable developer options. Now just enter your lock screen PIN, and once you enable developer options on your smartphone, then go back, and in the main settings page, just tap on System and Update. From here, just tap on developer options, and on this page, you will find the option of running services. Just tap on it, and from here you will find all the apps which are running in the background. Now just select the apps which you don't want to run in the background and tap on stop. Now just do the same with all the other apps which you don't want to run in the background. Just like that. And this is how you can fix the heating problem while charging on the Oppo A5x. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.